Hi everyone. I wanted to change our channel name because it was simply Robbie and Gary. I watched so many videos and none of them, when I tried it, looked like the landing page that I landed on. It turned out to make it easy, you're supposed to have what's called, I guess, a branded channel, and I do not have a brand. I simply have, I guess, what's called a personal channel. So it does look different. And I couldn't find anyone on YouTube that would show you exactly how to change it. So I wanted to show you how I figured it out, and let's go from here. So you go to your channel page. I've got my video, which is way too loud, that I put up.
Robbie.
And they must have raised it. It's the introduction to our channel. So you go to the right where you've got your logo of your channel and you would click it. When you click it, you have all these different things. You go down, it's very simple, to settings. And from here, you'll see there's your logo for your channel. And it used to say this morning, Robbie and Gary. But let's say you wanted to add something to it or change it. You go to edit on Google. It's this simple. When you get here, it's going to say your first name and your last name. I had Robbie and Gary that way as a nickname, Robbie and Gary. No. We just simply changed it right here. I typed in Robbie and Gary. For the last name, I typed in Gardening Easy. That was it. Okay. And I was done. And as soon as I did it, my channel changed and we now had our channel named Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy. That's all you have to do. Nothing to it. Don't put a nickname. Don't do anything. Just put something in where it says first name, what you want in the second name, and hit OK, and you're good to go. It will change your Google account to whatever you name it, and that's fine with me. And now it's changed our channel, and that's perfectly fine with me because that's what I wanted. I wanted our channel to have something to do with gardening. And they made it so... Oh, this video, literally, it knocks me off my chair. Literally, that's all I wanted to do was add on Gardening Easy, something like that. Now, I could change the channel, but here is the problem. And this is what I have been told. I don't know if it's true because I haven't done it. When you change the channel to a brand channel, and I can easily change it, it will just ask you what you want to name your video. I could have put in Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy there, but the problem is, from what I understand, every comment that I have put on Robbie and Gary, like answering all the wonderful people that came in, every comment would be removed because it's kind of like starting over, but it's not. The comments that people left for my channel would be there. But the comments that Gary and I left for all these people, hundreds and hundreds and thousands of comments, from what I understand, will disappear. They say it's no big deal. Well, it seems like a big deal to me. And maybe that's just me. But that's how easy it is. No big deal. Just go to your logo, click on settings, go straight over to edit Google, and do the changes only in the first top lines. Don't worry about the bottom to display it. You could go there and click it, make sure it says what you want it to say, but it should just light up that way. You type in whatever you want in the first name and the last name and hit OK, and you are good to go. That's it. That's how easy it is. I hope I helped somebody who had the same issue I have. So with that, have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.